you can even drink more than that depending on the weather condition and also depending on the size, up to 160 to 180 liters of water as well. Are you guys ready on the videos? Let's be ready. Yeah. That's him start. That's him.
Wow.
If you missed the first one, there's a second one there to go. Him on the second one. Now, I want you guys to listen to the last one. Just like a toy.